Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ChargePoint smart charging with utility rate plans, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing ChargePoint smart charging with utility rate plans, first ensure you have a ChargePoint account. Next, log into your ChargePoint account on the website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Utility Rate Plans option within the settings. Select Add Utility Rate Plan to start the process. You will then need to enter your utility provider information. Choose your utility provider from the list provided. If your provider is not listed, select Other and enter the necessary details manually. Now, input your account number as provided by your utility company. Make sure to include any additional information required, such as service address or rate plan details. After entering your information, review it for accuracy and click Continue to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to connect your ChargePoint account with your utility provider. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This may involve entering your utility account credentials or linking via OAuth if supported. Once connected, you may need to select your specific rate plan from those available. Choose the rate plan that best suits your charging needs. Confirm your selection to finalize the authorization process. After successfully linking your ChargePoint account, you will receive a notification confirming the connection. Now, you can set your charging preferences based on your selected utility rate plan. Access the charging settings to adjust your charging times if necessary. Finally, monitor your charging sessions to ensure they align with your utility plan and maximize savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.